It's currently 10 and we just finished packing a big order. We started printing new handles, which are way better than the traditional ones. They are also more eco-friendly and made to order. Now that it's 1, it's time to film a TikTok. Just finished editing the video. Also, if you need a local fast shipping, eco-friendly supplier, then feel free to reach out. It's almost the end of the video, so I'm going to show you some more products.